like seeing that going to Mexico.
I don't want to get in the road.
Damn. Oh, wait a minute. He's a photo finish. Somebody dollar.
Damn.
That's crazy.
Round 2. Damn. What was that? Alright, we're in a C5 vet and the trans is slipping, so we're gonna try to blow it up against this 2-valve. Couldn't even tell. I was focused on the car.
My buddy Travis is going to win this.
I hope he launched.
Is that the Mustang up front? It's the Mustang up front.
Yeah. Ooh, somebody's spinning too. Ooh, shit.
Come on, damn, I'm not even raising my head right now.
There you go.
Yeah! What the fuck happened, bro? What happened? Yo, the Audi came back and won, baby. Let's go. Got my cameraman David recording for me.
Trying to hold it steady.
Because my phone died. This is Gray X on the mic right now.
This is sick, nasty, big dick 6 gen.
You know this is going in the video, right?
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Alright. You messing up my camera angle.
This is still out front. What the fuck?
Watch your head, Nick. You can't see anything, bro.